So hello everyone, in today's video we are gonna see what is Postman. So a Postman is, we can say, a very important application in today's life of developers. See, of course you have heard about the APIs and the REST APIs. So to testing these REST APIs, so it is a important application, the Postman, to testing our APIs, and then we can implement these APIs into our applications. So for the testing purpose, it is too much important for us. So today we are going to see what is a Postman and how we can install the Postman into our system. So let's see what is a Postman. So Postman is an API platform for building and using APIs. Okay, so we can build or use our APIs here in a Postman, and Postman simplifies each step of the API application and streamline collaboration, so you can create better APIs faster. Okay, so it will simplifies your API lifecycle. You can see here lifecycle of the API. Just you can read about the Postman from uh, just the postman.com. So now we can see how we can download it and how to use the Postman. So let's just writing a download Postman and hit enter. So the first link you can see, download Postman, www.postman.com, and here it is the option of a download. So just hit enter button on the application. So just hit enter button to download the Postman, and here you can see it is downloading. So till it is downloading, I'll be back. So now here you can see we have downloaded the Postman. Now we just click on it, and we see that this is a Postman. Just click on it. So basically just simply click on the Postman we have here, and just click on it, open, and now we can say move to application folder. Okay, and now I thought it's open, nothing much on installing in it. Let's see. Okay, so Postman is opening. Okay, so we have to create an account or create an account assign. So let's skip and go to the app directly. I will sign in later. So now I will just go here and I will show you. This is how the Postman looks like. So what you have to do, you can make a collection also, but don't need that in starting. Just click on that plus sign. So if you are familiar with the networking, so you know what are the get, post, put, patch. These are the command request, you can say a get request or post request. I thought you know what about these if you are familiar with the networking or the APIs. And here you enter your URL, which application you are running, and on which port the application is running. So you have to enter the URL here, like localhost colon 3000 5000, any port you are running, and slash the API name, and just hit on the send button, and it will show what's in your API, and it's basically simply test your API. So this is how you can use the Postman. I will create some APIs in the future videos and show how the Postman works, but in today's video I just show you how to install it. So that's it for today's video.